Alright, so for this problem, it says that angle ABC measures 90 degrees. So you can see that angle ABC here makes a right angle. The angle has been separated into two angles so that ray BD kind of goes off and separates the angles into two parts. If one angle measures 57 degrees, what is the measure of the other angle? So the first question says, how are these two angles related? So they already kind of went over this in the directions, but it said that the two angles together are made up of a 90 degrees. So we're going to write down here that the two angles add up to 90 degrees. So when you put the two together, they're going to add up to 90 degrees. So now in equation, we just said that the two angles are going to add up to 90 degrees. So the equation we're going to use is we're going to say that the one angle that we know, 57 degrees, plus the other missing angle, x, if we add those two together, it's going to give us 90 degrees. So now for part C, it says to solve the equation you just came up with in part B to solve for the missing angle x. So we're now going to rewrite our equation, 57 plus x equals 90. So we have an addition equation, so the opposite of addition is subtraction. So we're going to be subtracting, and we're getting rid of the number with the variable, so because we want x by itself, so we're going to subtract 57 from both sides. The 57s on this side will cancel each other out, so we're left with x on one side, and then 90 minus 57 would give us 33. So our answer is that the missing angle measures 33 degrees. All right. The rest of the problems are very similar to this. The two things that are most important for you to know for this task is that a right angle is always 90 degrees, and a straight angle, which would always just be a straight line, measures 180. So just really pay attention to if you're looking at angles that add up to 90 or angles that add up to 180, and that will help you figure out your equations.